Hello everyone and welcome to my cruise channel. Today we're going to talk about Royal Caribbean and Celebrity Elite and Diamond statuses. So Royal Caribbean has the Diamond status and Celebrity has the Elite status. Both are owned by the same company and offer reciprocal benefits. So if you reach a tier on one line, your new status will be honored on the other line. Many people aim to get the highly coveted Diamond status on Royal Caribbean, which matches to Elite on Celebrity. Even though they're owned by the same company, the benefits of each line differ ever just slightly. I'm actually Elite in Celebrity's Loyalty Club, which is called the Captain's Club, and Diamond in Royal's Loyalty Club called the Crown and Anchor Society. For those that haven't done so yet, I would highly recommend signing up for both clubs. Each are free to join and you'll get a club number once you join. You can link them together in the status match to get the status match. For children under the age of 18, they'll also get their own numbers and share the same status as their parents until they turn 18 years old. After that, they will accumulate points on their own. By joining the loyalty clubs, you also get discounts on certain things throughout your trip, such as bookings on shore excursions, my favorite, which is the drink packages, photo packages, and internet packages. However, the internet package is where they start to differ just a little bit. On Celebrity cruises, you're allotted a certain amount of points for free, or a certain amount of minutes for free once you reach Elite status, which at the time of this posting is about 90 minutes, and 30% off internet packages. On Royal Caribbean, you get 1 free day of surf and stream. Another major difference that I've noticed is that Celebrity Cruises offers a free cocktail hour between 5 and 7 p.m. Royal Caribbean, however, is my favorite in this regard because you get not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 drink vouchers preloaded onto your SeaPass card daily. I like Royal systems better, as the cocktail hour on Celebrity somewhat limits you from participating if you have an early dinner, which, given the choice between getting a cocktail and getting food, I'm obviously going to pick food. On Royal Caribbean, you can use your vouchers throughout the day at any venue. On Celebrity Cruises, the benefit is usually only offered at a specific venue. With that said, on certain cruises where tender service is required, Celebrity Cruises offers something I've never seen before, and honestly, I don't know how I lived without it. But they offer priority tender service to the ports that require tender service. This can be a huge benefit because sometimes trying to get a tender boat is kind of like participating in the world's largest Thunderdome. I tried this service for the first time last year when they escorted us to a specific lounge with other Elite members and they placed us on the first tender so we didn't have to wait in line. Being a loyalty member for both cruise lines, we also got invited to special parties. My favorite of which is, of course, the captain's or the officer's party. I've been to some of these before. Most of the time they'll introduce the captain and his officers as well as department heads. However, sometimes the entertainers will do a specific show just for the event. On Celebrity Cruises, they also have a mixology event where you can sample drinks from all over the world and find out more about the country that the drink comes from. This, of course, is just a sampling of some of the offerings that I've experienced as a new Diamond and Elite member. There's a lot more that I haven't explored yet, so I'll include a PDF to all the benefits for both lines in the description below. So, my seasoned cruisers, what do you think of some of these benefits? We would love to hear your thoughts. And as always, bon voyage!